Let us now start with part 4, that is Tommy bar. The drawing for the Tommy bar is shown here in the sheet. The material used for the Tommy bar is Fe410W. Let us first draw a straight line of 275 mm. Click on Fit Screen. Now draw a vertical line of 10 mm. Since the dia is given 20 mm, here we have to draw half of that value, that is 10 mm. Then now draw a rough profile. Here it is a curved shape, so draw a circle of 20 mm dia. To connect the gap there, go to Extend Next, then connect the gap. Go to Trim, remove the unnecessary parts, unnecessary lines. Go to Smart Dimension. Here the value shown is 285 because the line is not from end to end. Here till here it is 275 and from there it is 10 mm curved. So together it will be 285. This line here it is 62. Here we have to make a line to be inclined at an angle 45 degree and height at this end is 6 mm. Make this line to be inclined at an angle of 45 degree. Don't forget to click on angle of Smart Dimension at the top. This length is 6 mm, that is half of 12. Go to Return, click on Revolve Protrusion, select the profile, OK, click on the axis, enter 360 degree, click on Finish. Now go to Tools, Material Table. Material for Tommy bar is Fe410W. Type the material. If the material not found, click on that, Add to Library, then Apply to Material, Apply to Model. Summary, Tommy bar. Go to Project. Document number 4, project name, Tommy bar, OK, file, save as, part number 4, save. Now go to File, New, normal.par, OK. Thank you.